idea and all the planning. Good morning. We are super early today. It's currently 5:08. Today, I want to take you guys through how I make my short form videos. And before that, I'm going to make a coffee because I am a bit sleep deprived. Not enough milk. This is better. The reason why I'm up so early is not because I always shoot short form in this hour. It's just I planned one of the shorts to be shot in sunrise. I just want to wake up a little bit earlier to make sure that I have enough time to be there early to capture that sunrising moment. So for short form video, I always plan ahead because it's not something that I can just ramble off the top of my head. Plus, all these shots has to be articulated beforehand. Otherwise, I'm just not going to remember everything. And for the script, I try to follow it as much as possible because short form usually has this punch. So the word usually add emphasis on a certain topic or just makes the video flows a bit better. But I would still prefer it to be more natural to how I say things. Okay, I think I need to start getting ready. I haven't even shaved it every day yet. I think the sun's rising. Oh shit. Okay, I really need to go now. It's only like 6:09 and the sun is already out. Just like a 5 minutes difference. You better get going. Get this. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. How beautiful is that? Look at the reflection, man. Oh my God. So right now I'm just reviewing my shot list because I usually plan it on another day. So I just need to know what I'm going to be shooting before I start. I think it's still quite early now. I'm just going to wait for a bit. And I also got my Insta360X5 to record some of this BTS. Oh my God, the birds are so noisy. So the video idea for this one is how to find the best natural lighting. The sun hasn't really come up yet, so I want to use this time to prep and set up my camera. There are two specific shots I want to get here, one as a bad example and one as a good example. But this is where I made my first mistake. I didn't know how the sun was going to hit, and I don't think it was the best spot to begin with. I kind of figured the sun was going to end up behind me by the water, so I needed to find a better spot. Otherwise, the video just wasn't going to work. Luckily, there was a pretty good spot just a bit further down, and as I was trying to figure out how to shoot this, the sun finally came up, which is good, but also not so great because now I'm raising the clock. I need to make sure I can capture all the shots within the time frame. I think the challenging part of being a solo creator is that it's really difficult to check whether you are actually in frame, so I'm constantly walking back to the camera to make sure the composition is right. But eventually, after a few attempts, I got most of the shots I wanted. Just finished shooting the short form content. Always good to shoot once you got the idea and all the plannings down because, yeah, you're gonna lose it if you don't. I didn't actually follow through what I have planned because midway through the shoot, I kind of forgot what I was gonna do. Sometimes when you're in the shoot, you just have to compromise and adapt to what you have. And now we're just going to head home and I'll give a better breakdown when we get back. Not even 30 minutes. Can't even see it. So like I said earlier, I like to plan my content as much as I can, especially the script and the shot list. Even though the script might not be word to word, but I want to stick it to as close as possible or something that I would naturally say it out loud. So here's the Notion page for the reel that I just did. So basically all my content, all the plannings goes into Notion. You can see I have the effort level, the format, the role. The role is basically, is it for discovery, for people to find my content or to build up relationships with my audience that are already existing. Status, what stage is it in? Right now, I finished filming, so it's in editing stage. The theme is what sort of things that this fall into. So this is part of the cinematic craft where I will be giving tips on or personal experience on the things that I do relating to techniques. I have 2 other themes, which is take action, where I'm trying to drive other people to do the same thing, to take action. And then the other one is create a journey, which is me building up this creative career. So now you can see the whole content calendar for my short form. So you see the first one, finding the best lighting. The video idea here is quite fake. That's why I need a core. The core is basically me elaborating a bit more on that idea. The actual idea of this story is to basically me teaching a technique that I've learned myself. So a rundown of what the video is going to be like. So next step is come up with a draft. So I kind of brain dump all the things that I find relating to this idea and then try to organize it in a way that sort of makes sense. And then I will use Claude to tighten up this idea because I'm not really good at creative writing, and then go through the script again. This is where I sort of get the final script. And by this point, this should make a lot more sense. And once I got the script down, then I'll start visualizing how should I present this video, whether it's voiceover with B-roll or a talking head. So for this one, I decided to do a voiceover. And then you got the shot list here. The purpose of the shot list is just to make sure that I don't forget anything. Like once I have the shots, I'll just take it off. And yeah, but eventually this didn't work really well today because I didn't have enough time to prep. I think ideally I should have spent a bit more time to revise this before going to the shoot. But since it was early in the morning, I didn't have enough time. But yeah, so I think at this stage, what I'm going to do, since these shots are probably for the first part of the script, so I think I might just stick with 1 tip rather than having 2. So yeah, I think that's pretty straightforward. This is for a medium effort one. The reason I'm no longer using a template because I found the short form content can be quite different. So for example, this is my hero story. I waited 10 years to do this. So it has a whole script where I'll be talking to the camera with a lot of B-rolls. And here are like the materials needed. So these are all the things that require me to accomplish this video. Whether there's like a low effort video, this is, as you can see, is completely different to the other one. Helps me to visualize the actual content. And then we have the text on screen and then footage. So just, yeah, it gives me a better understanding of what I need to do for this reel. And yeah, since we have finished shooting, of course, the next part is going to be editing. And I'm going to head over to the library because I just can't focus at home anymore. Recently, I've been using this tote bag a lot, which is from Earth. This is the Arkose tote bag because on days like this, I want to carry something that is more stylish and sleek rather than I'm trying to go for a shoot every single time. And the thing about the normal messenger or tote bag is they don't offer any protection to my camera and lenses. So every time I had to put my sling bag inside, which is kind of the best. But for this one, this has the camera insert fitted in the tote bag, which is exactly what I've been looking for. And if you don't want to carry it as a tote bag, you can just carry this as a shoulder bag or crossbody bag. If you're interested, you can use my discount code for 10% off your order. Thank you, Earth, for sending this over.
A few moments later.
Let's check out the final results. Stop filming yourself like this. If you want to have the most cinematic lighting, try to find an angle that's not directly facing or against the sun. If you're not sure, put out your palm, spin around 360 degrees, and you'll find the best angle. And that is all for today's video. If you have any questions or anything that I didn't answer in this video, make sure to comment down below, or if there's anything you want to watch next, you can also comment. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Also, I recently came back from China. I had such a great time. I filmed heaps and I just can't wait to share with you guys. Like, there's just so many things I want to share. Yeah, so make sure to stay tuned for that, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.